The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 for Boost Mobile. So Boost Mobile now finally has the Galaxy Note 8. This is pre-owned, so do keep that in mind. The Galaxy Note 8 on Boost is available in two colors. You guys have midnight black and orchid gray there. So the orchid gray version is currently sold out, but the midnight black is currently in stock. It's $3.99 right now, so it's pretty nice, but this is a pre-owned phone, so do keep that in mind. The Galaxy Note 8 was Samsung's flagship phone in 2017. Nice phone, so looked at pretty good specs. In 2019, obviously it's a flagship phone, so it's gonna have flagship specs. Obviously it's still pretty good phone and all that. Looks very nice. There's the phone right there in front of you. You guys have your sensors for the iris scanner, front-facing camera, the earpiece. You guys have your 18:9 screen. Power buttons on the right side, the volume buttons on the left side. So is your Bixby button is also on the left side as well. So yeah, that's the front. It does have the S Pen, of course. Left side you have your volume button and your Bixby button right there on the left. On the right side, your power button right there. I think your SIM card and shit is on the top of the phone, I believe. And then on the back of the phone, you have dual cameras, fingerprint sensors right here. Not a fan of the fingerprint sensor location. Just not a fan of it. It looks like the Galaxy S8 on the back. So far, it's bigger. I'm not a fan of the fingerprint scanner location. Just not. I think it's a bad location. And I'm glad Samsung fixed it with the Galaxy S9 and stuff like that. So you guys have the Samsung logo and the Galaxy Note 8 branding right there on the back. And it is made of glass, so yeah. Alright. So the screen on the Galaxy Note 8, you guys know what the specs are. It has a 6.3-inch display, 12 megapixel rear facing camera, 33 hours of talk time, 64 gigabytes of storage, Android 9.0 Pie, and I believe it has a One UI from Samsung on this thing as well. It says multitask and create while on the go with the Galaxy Note 8, designed to fit easily in your palm. The Galaxy Note 8 features the borderless infinity display, the productivity boosting S Pen, and dual camera technology. This phone is pre-owned, so do keep that in mind. It's a pre-owned phone, that's why you're getting it for $400. The full retail price of this thing, $499.99 according to Boost Mobile's website here. And how it works is, of course, you guys order the phone, wait for your phone to arrive, and pick your contract plan and activate online. Pretty simple, you know. And the one thing that you guys gotta keep in mind is pre-owned phones are tested for functionality and gently cleansed. The device may have visible usage wear and tear. All pre-owned phones come with a 90-day warranty, and you guys learn more about that. 6.3-inch Quad C Plus Super AMOLED display. See more, scroll less, get a bigger view in a slimmer phone. With an 83% screen to body ratio, the Galaxy Note 8 gives you more screen to work with and less phone to hold. 12 megapixel dual pixel main camera and 8 megapixel front facing camera. So it has a dual pixel it does have that dual pixel camera on the back like it did on the S8. The world's first dual camera and the world's first dual camera with optical image stabilization on both lenses lets you have it all. Capture great portraits, zoom in closer with less blur, and enjoy low light clarity for incredible photos. It has an octa-core processor, 2.35 GHz quad, and 1.9 GHz quad. I think it's Snapdragon 845. I think it's 845. I think. But I'm not mistaken. It's 845 Snapdragon. I think. Yeah, I think it might tell us eventually. So, playing visually rich games or switching between apps is a breeze. The mobile processor works with 6 GB of RAM to make it happen fast and seamlessly. So 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. So pretty good there. 33 hours of talk time, 3,300 mAh battery, Get up to 33 hours of talk time with the 3,300 mAh lithium-ion battery. 64 gigabytes of memory with support for external microSD card, and then 6 gigabytes of RAM, of course. Never run out of storage with 64 gigabytes of internal storage, and support for up to 256 gigabytes of additional microSD card storage. Multitask like a pro with 6 gigabytes of RAM. And like I said earlier, it has Android 9.85 with One UI. I believe it has the One UI on there, so yeah. It has Android 9 harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to give you more from your phone. Now it's smarter, faster, and adapts as you use it. It does have IP68 dust and water resistance. Do more and worry less with IP68 rated dust and water resistance. Mexico remain capable. Stay connected even when you're traveling to Mexico. Plant add-on is required for that. Voice remain capable. Keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the Sprint network. Select plans include 50 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming. It is also mobile hotspot capable, of course. Don't get stuck without an internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for on-the-go access. Access vary per plan, of course, depending on what plan you had was the hotspot that you guys would get for the month. And the specs on the Galaxy Note8, you guys know what they are. 3300 mAh battery, talk time 33 hours, non-removable battery, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of RAM with the external microSD up to 256 gigs. It has an octa-core processor. I think it's Snapdragon 835, 845, something like that. No, I think it's Snapdragon 835. I think it's Snapdragon 835. Now think about it, it's a Snapdragon 835 processor, so not too bad. Android 9.85 with One UI. 12 megapixel dual pixel main camera, 8 megapixel front facing camera, 6.3 inch Quad HD plus Super AMOLED display. Ear dimensions there is 6.40 inches height, 2.95 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. And the frame rate is 6.88 ounces, so this is a hefty motherfucker here. It has Wi-Fi enabled, Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C, 3.5mm headphone jack, and all that good stuff. And what you guys get in the box is, you guys get the Galaxy Note8, the charger, USB cable, printed materials and stuff like that. So you will not get headphones or nothing like that. Y'all guys will get the bare minimum here. So this is a pre-owned phone. So you guys will not get the OTG cable or nothing like that. You guys have to get that your own. You guys need to have what you got, your Note8. Boost Mobile is here to help. Boost Mobile is here to help out with that, with device support. So if you guys need to have what you got, your Note8. Device support can help you out with that, and they'll tell you guys how to use different pictures of the phone and stuff like that. So there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy Note8 pre-owned, now available at Boost Mobile. Available in two colors, Midnight Black and Orchid Gray. The Orchid Gray version is currently sold out. It's $399.99. You keep in mind that this is a pre-owned smartphone, so you keep that in mind. So it comes with a 90-day warranty. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.